जिंदगी में हर जगह अपना नहीं लगता, but at least the place you're staying should feel like home. Especially when you're shifting to a new city, you always want to stay to a place which feels like home and don't make you miss your home, right? So presenting to you Ghar Pe PG, and this video especially for you boys. So if you're looking for a PG which is near Christ University Yeshwanthpur, check this video till the end. And if you like it, don't forget to WhatsApp us or call us in this giving number, and we will share every single details that you need. Now let's explore with me. So as you enter this room, you can see this room is really spacious, and when I say it is spacious, I mean it. You can just come and visit and see on your own. This is premium flat like PG, where you are getting two separate bed over here, as you can see, and this mattress is really soft, and I mean it. Two separate pillow. You're getting a proper ventilation over here, which comes with a mosquito net, and you also get a blackout curtain to maintain your privacy, so that your sleep don't get spoiled. You're getting two separate study table over here. Here is the one, here's the second one. Two separate study table for you and for your roommate. Again over here you're getting a ventilation, तो यहाँ पे ventilation ही ventilation है, पूरा हवा आने वाला है. Next we have a full size wardrobe available for you. As you can see here, the wardrobe is really spacious, comes with a locker also, so that you can keep your precious thing locked inside. Then we have this washroom, which is again a huge washroom with premium fittings. You get a mirror, all the things which they have used, the tiles and everything looks really luxury, and this is a really spacious washroom. It is well maintained, clean washroom. You're also getting housekeeping services over here, so you don't need to worry about messy washroom every day. Everything will be cleaned each and every day. Now moving forward, we have a balcony. Let's check this out. So we also have a balcony over here. As you can see, हवा आ रही है बहुत. So you get a nice view from here. You get a balcony, fresh air, you get a proper sunlight. Natural light की कमी तो होने नहीं वाली है, which is for sure, because balcony से you are getting light. You are getting two separate window. You are getting light from there also. So this room is actually too good to be true, which I feel, because this is a huge room with ample amount of storage and space available. So if you like this video and if you want to shift, book your slot right now. WhatsApp or call us in this giving number, and we will share all the details about this PG to you. Okay, so this is another room. Just now I showed you double sharing room. Just in case if you're looking for some another option, this is triple sharing room. So as you can see, there are three separate bed over here. You're getting a triple sharing room over here with proper ventilation. Ventilation 1, 2, there is a big window which comes along with mosquito net. There is a blackout curtain to maintain your privacy, and so that you can have a good sleep and you don't wake up with the sunlight in the early morning. Also, you're getting three separate study table over here for three of you. Since it's a triple sharing room, that's why you're getting three separate study table. You also have a huge wardrobe, like a full size wardrobe over here to keep all your belongings. The wardrobe is spacious enough to fit all three of your clothes and belongings over here. You're also getting balcony attached to this room, and also the washroom is really clean and well maintained. Let me show it to you. As you can see over here, the washroom is spacious, clean, well maintained, hygienic, because housekeeping daily hota hai yahan pe. They have used all premium quality fittings over here. The mirror is also attached. So if you like this room, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this giving number, and we will share all the details about this PG, about this room to you on your WhatsApp. Wait guys, the video is not over yet, because this is just 10% of this PG which I showed you. There are many more facilities which is to be included, because ये PG अभी एकदम new है, which is near Christ University Yeshwanthpur. Facilities like gym, dining space where you're getting 4-time meals which include breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, dinner. You're getting continental, North Indian, South Indian type of food. You're also getting cooking utensils provided where you can cook your own meal. You also have chill zone like gaming area where you can sit and relax after a long day. Like all these facilities which is to be included are yet to be done. So before this gets sold out, because I am getting a feeling that this property is too good to be true, And also this property is just 2 minutes walking distance from Christ University. Now you can imagine that the hype of this property is really real. So just book these slots, hurry up, WhatsApp or call us in this giving number. If you have any doubts, we are here to clear your doubts. Hurry up before this gets sold out.